Up. Going the wrong way. What's he doing?
Sheesh.
What you doing, dummy? That ain't the way, Billy. You going the wrong way, kid. 17 more clicks and maybe I'll get there. And by the time he'll be out running. Oh, he's pushing the car. Holy shit.
Impressive.
Almost ramming the car. Oh my God, he just rammed the truck. He rammed the car. Holy shit. This will just ram the car. Be nice and up, and there he goes, running.
So
he's trying to carjack. Trying to carjack him. Oh boy. Tried to take it. Tried to carjack what looks like an Altima maybe. Oh boy, he's gonna go try to get him another victim. Yep, temp carjacking there. God, nothing is working. The light doesn't work. The scanner isn't up. Like, come on, man. There's the light. There's one step. Can we get the scanners? Come on, man. Oh, scanners are just dead. They're not working no more, I guess. I think it's done. I think the scanners are done. Alright, well, I have CHP up, guys. I can't hear much. Obviously, we're not hearing a fucking thing. Uh-oh. Is he going to try to... No way is he going to take the big rig. I don't know, bro. You better be careful. A lot of big rig drivers, they be carrying guns and shit. Yeah, boy, they do. Oh, he tried to get the truck. Trucker knows what he's doing, Billy.
He's bound and down, loaded up and trucking.
Oh my God. This is getting nuts. I just wish we had scanner to listen to. It'd be nice to actually fucking hear it. Bro, he crashed into this one. Now, is he getting in the rig? No way he's not. He is, because this fool just jumped out the car. There's two of them in there. They just took the rig. Holy shit.
You don't fear death. You welcome it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God, dude. Paulie, what's up? Oh my God, and he knows how to drive a truck. Bro's a truck driver. Apparently. Are you going to take his truck? I'd take his truck and smash it into your truck.
31, 1015, lost 473.
Holy shit, he done got it. And look, we got us a hero. Fucking right there trying to stop everything with his truck. Oh my God.
And he goes, don't be a hero, mate. And I said, I'm not trying to be a hero, but the police are coming.
That's it.
I'll be the hero you're dreaming of.
That's it. Oh boy, this is getting wild. Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen. Too bad we don't have any scanner feeds to it. Damn it, man. What the fuck is wrong with the scanner, dude? God damn it. One time I needed the crazy chase. The one crazy chase of 2025, and I can't get the scanner to work. Fucking fantastic. God damn it, man. The fuck, man. What happened? What the fuck happened? Damn it. I can't believe this shit, dude. Just my luck, dude. Dude, it's pissing me off, dude. Damn it. Let me try to find it another way, dude. 'Cause I'm not finding it here. Fuck. God damn it. I don't even know where the fuck he's at right now. Shit. Thank you, Kelly. I appreciate you. Yes, thank you. I'll Please, thank you. I appreciate you. Hold on. I'm trying to find the scanner feeds here. The feeds aren't working. I don't know what's going on. Trying to find it. I can't find it. Oh, goddamn course. One fucking time I need it. Is that him? Is that it? Did we find it? Bloop, 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 bloop. Not gonna be there. Throw it on the regular channel and hope for the best, I guess. I'm not hearing it. Best chase at 2025? I mean, yeah, I guess for the carjacking sense, but other than that, I don't think too much has happened and have it the best. But, yeah, I guess to each their own. Yeah, the tan I can't get right now. My scanners are too far, so I have to rely on the phone. And I don't see it here on the phone. So I'm looking. I have 5.0 up. I just don't understand how there's nothing happening on their channel at all. Nothing. Not hearing nothing. Check out Homeboy though. Check out Homeboy. Passing him up.
About 60, 65 miles per hour, light truck.
I mean, he's only doing 65, I guess. People don't even realize it.
146 primary, Air 25 copy, southbound 5 through Rockford, units arriving.
We're gonna pit him, yeah. You're gonna get another truck and pit that truck, the fat truck.
Tanker is not loaded. Should have victim. Tanker is not loaded.
78511, I copy that tanker is not loaded.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it. It's time for
Round 1. Smoke.
Altadena unit, take primary.
All right, we're in Altadena now. They're coming. There they go. There's the Altadena units waiting on the side of the road for them.
953, taking primary, Altadena. 5 from the 405 to be number 2 lane.
We don't want them to
5
keep.
miles per hour, light truck.
We want them to keep going 5 south, not north. So we're good there.
Air 25 copy the number 2 light traffic, and I copy 953 of the primary.
So yeah.
98 S8 secondary for now.
98 S8 secondary. 78 S20.
He did hijack the truck, Popsicle. We just watched it live. You can rewind the feed and see it. In fact, he tried to get one truck. That didn't work. This was the second truck I believe he tried to get. He got that one. And apparently knows how to drive an 18-wheeler.
We're going to be in the number 3 lane approaching San Fernando, approximately 70 miles an hour. And I would like 3 Altadena units with a supervisor. So 3 units and 1 supervisor.
I don't know. Could have chocolate milk in there.
98 S20
It's empty
copy the
right
number 2
now, but I don't know
approaching
what the
San
hell with it.
70.
Why is it not up here?
Static, ready to go, please.
I don't know, man. I don't know. All of a sudden, the blue's gone. My blue channel was gone all of a sudden. One time I knew. Couldn't just stay on the other channel, dude. You couldn't have just done it, huh? Couldn't have just done that. You know, like not crazy, erratic, or fast.
Natural gas only. negative, highly flammable.
Natural gas only?
Number
Of course it was broken up.
65, light traffic.
So it's a natural gas rig? Is that what it is? Great. Great. It's going now eastbound, right? Oh, can we all agree on now eastbound 10? Coming towards the 5? Yes, right, Kevin? Right? Right, Kev? Okay, see, there we go. That's where they'll be taking him if he stops right here, ladies and gents. So he doesn't have to go far. He brought himself there. Yeah, this one's going to be a long one. I mean, if you guys are right and that thing is full with gas, oh boy. He's going to be driving for a long time. And I'm watching Scott. I can see the helicopter. Oh, where is he at?
Located where? On Figueroa.
The tractor beam pulling him in, ladies and gents. The tractor beam's pulling him in. Uh-oh, wrong way.
Sheesh.
Driving the wrong way. In a big-ass Mack truck. I don't know if it wasn't a Mack, right? It was a Volvo, but you know what I mean. Oh, boy. Trying to get around these dang buildings. Or if you need, I'll quit this shit. If it pays good cash, I'll quit this motherfucker tomorrow.
5 miles an hour.
See, and they're doing their best to light them up so other drivers can see them. Holy shit. Yes, the wrong way. He's going eastbound in the westbound lanes right now. Holy smokes. In an 18-wheeler. With his... Alright, so I'm going to leave him up there. Like playing, it's here. I'm playing. I didn't even notice the door was open when he was making that right turn.
Jack?
Thanks, Stanley.
That's a bit, he's on Alameda, by the way. Left or right on Alameda? Which way we going, bud? North on Alameda it is. Oh, southbound Alameda. Sorry, my bad. Southbound Alameda. Now, as soon as he goes into the underpass, they're running. We got a runner. Fuck, we got a runner. Damn it. We got a runner. Got us a runner, Bill. Damn it. The chippies are there. They're right there, man, but... Ooh, boy. I didn't even notice the door was open when he was making... Jason. He's on top. You can see the helicopter to your left right there. So he just... And shout out to fucking Tom and the boys. They're doing it. They won't give up. They won't give up.
Getting in the front seat. They just switched drivers. Male Hispanic, dark clothing, just got in the driver's seat and they're taking off southbound again.
So we'll see the switching of the drivers right here. Remember, guys, what we're hearing is a little ahead of what we're seeing.
Whittier, they're now going to be found on Boyle from Whittier. Number 1 lane, about 65 miles per hour, no traffic.
That's got to get you 10, 15 years. But I don't know. You know, we have a new DA. I don't know how he quite works. Pull them up, left and right.
North of the freeway.
Fuck, man. VTEC is gone. You saw how it just jammed out of there, right? It was quick. Fuck. Damn it. I don't know if they're pissed. I think they think they're still in that truck. They're gonna realize that nobody's in that truck. it go? Have your homeboy waiting underneath there? Or maybe they just pulled up next to a car that was sitting there, but I doubt it. Fuck.